Are the two schools for tonight's show. Calabar High from St. Andrew up against Morant Bay High from St. Thomas. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Calabar High is represented this evening by Team Captain Tion Hughes, Alexander Ramharak, Kevon Latouche, and Jante Jackson. While Morant Bay High is represented by Laurel Duncan, Tevane Sterling, Shanice Scott, and Team Captain Cavalia Stewart. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to round 2 action of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get right into the action. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. And I believe Calabar High won and sent Morant Bay High in to bat first. So we begin with Morant Bay High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on the clock. So we'll begin right away, Morant Bay High, with Bible knowledge in the book of Acts. Which 2 missionaries told a jailer what he had to do to be saved?
Peter and John.
No, Paul and Silas. Bible knowledge for Calabar in the book of Acts. What was the trade or practice of Elymas?
Sorcery.
Sure, or wizardry. Correct. International affairs. Morant Bay High. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Matilda John.
No, it's Mia Motley, PM of Barbados. International affairs for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Eric Adams.
Eric Adams.
No, it's the PM of Trinidad and Tobago, Keith Rowley. Biology for Morant Bay. By which process is food moved along the esophagus into the human stomach?
Peristalsis.
Very good. Biology, Calabar. What is the name of the thin membrane located between the middle and the outer ear in humans?
Membrane. Tympanic membrane.
That's right. English language for Morant Bay. Which 10-letter verb, starting with E, means to deprive a man of his masculinity?
Emasculate.
That's right. English language for Calabar. Which 9-letter verb, starting with I, means to suggest or hint something bad in an indirect way?
Instigate.
No, insinuate. Music from Morant Bay. Listen to the following clip and give the title of this song.
Love can touch us one time and last forever.
My heart will go on.
Celine Dion, correct. Music for Calabar. Listen to the following clip and give the title of this song. And that is the bell. Morant Bay, would you like an opportunity to answer the question?
Yes, please. Come.
And that is the bell as well. Say my name. That was Destiny's Child. Morant Bay, we're still with you. General knowledge. In which Caribbean country are the Morne Diablotins?
Cuba.
Dominica, Calabar High. Your general knowledge question. Which Caribbean country is Mount Liamuiga?
St. Kitts and Nevis.
That's right. Morant Bay, a theatre and cinema. Look at the monitor and identify this actress, please.
Emma Stone.
No, it's Renee Zellweger, theatre and cinema for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Demi Moore.
No, it's Jennifer Connelly. Geography, Morant Bay. Which is the world's highest navigable lake?
Navigable.
Lake Titicaca.
Lake Titicaca.
That's right, geography Calabar. What is the world's deepest freshwater lake?
Lake Baikal.
That's right. Sport or visual for Morant Bay. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Brian Lara.
No, it's Carl Hooper. Sport for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
James Jones.
No, Courtney Walsh. Both former West Indies cricket captains. Chemistry for Morant Bay. How many moles are there in 15 grams of lithium gas to the nearest whole number?
5? Sure? Okay. 5 moles.
No, 2 moles. Chemistry Calabar. How many moles of ammonia are contained in 24.08 times 10 to the 23 molecules of ammonia to the nearest whole number?
3.
4 moles. Mathematics, and we won't have time. That's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Calabar High and Morant Bay High neck and neck on 4 points each. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Don't go anywhere. School's challenge quiz returns right after these messages.